In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for Loblaws. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what I believe is the easiest way to browse through job openings and apply in Loblaws. You can do this process through the Indeed website, so go to ca.indeed.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to browse through all of the open positions inside of Loblaws. So after you arrive at this page, you can sign in using Google or even your Apple account, but this is optional for now. And all that you have to do is include Loblaws on this first section here. Immediately upon finding jobs for Loblaws, you will be able to browse through their profile inside of Indeed. So, Loblaw Jobs, click on the icon and you will be redirected to their page where you can browse through various benefits, features, and get more information regarding Loblaws. You will notice that there are ratings made by real people and you can browse through these if you wish. But in here, you have a lot of options to choose from. There is a page dedicated to telling you about the experience in here and why you should join them. Feel free to explore this as much as you want, but for this video, all I'm going to show you is how to actually apply. So you can either click this option at the bottom right corner of the screen or go to Jobs. Now, you will see all the job openings and you can use keywords if you want to search for specific ones. So for example, warehouse, and then you can browse through all of these. This is optional, however, and you can just look at the full list here. You will notice that there is a location below, the salary, and whether it is a part-time or full-time job. There will also be different shifts depending on the position, and you will get all the information that you need upon clicking on any of these positionings. You will then have to be redirected to their website to finish your application. But this is all you have to do. Make sure you choose the position that is appropriate for you, and you will be able to find all the information, qualifications, and eligibility to apply in Loblaws. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply in Loblaws. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.